we're in the... by a car. We're in the city of Cortez. Just turned down by Annie's bait and tackle. Can you straighten that, hon? And we're looking at an 88 mainstream. Right? No, not. What type of boat?
You're sure right this second.
Main what though?
I'm not sure right this second.
You're not sure.
I have to look at
There's the seafood shack. Can you go? Sound Moorings is our location.
Turn right onto 129th Street West. Then turn left onto Marina Court.
Marina Court? I don't know.
I don't believe so.
Oh no, there's a boat code. I'm gonna have to get.
Turn left onto Marina Court. Then the destination is on your left.
The code's down right here.
Sound Moorings. That's called the Point.
I don't know. He gave me a boat.
The destination is on your left. Cove Sound Moorings.
This is it.
He said there was a boat or a code.
Well, yeah, they have a gate.
Oh, there it is. So you have to go through the gate. He said. We're not gonna go through the gate.
Right. So, oh, that's oh, that is a gate down. Okay. Yeah. So,
I don't know the gate. I'd have to get a gate
oh, look
code.
at your belt. He's got a cool little belt.
I'm gonna have to stop it and get a gate code.
Stop it. Get it.
Or from here.
Hmm?
No, I'd have to get the gate number. Gate code thing right there. I'm gonna have to stop it.
Oh, the video?
Hmm?
I thought you had to get code.
I don't know it off the top of my head.
All right. So we just ended up looking at a Mainship.
Mediterranean.
Mainship Mediterranean. How many feet?
35.
35. Just gonna let you know. Too small for the family. So beautiful boat. Cannot.
Yes.
Dan, if you're watching the video, thank you. We're going to keep your vessel off as requested. You know, if you've seen one Mainship, you know, it doesn't really matter. So out of request, we're not going to show his vessel, but we're just going to kind of show you the area. So really cool guy, has a beautiful, beautiful vessel. Anybody looking for a Mainship?
If it were just me and you, I would do it.
Absolutely. So, just want to let you know you weren't on there, okay? So, respect the people when you're visiting these places. Make those requests or meet those requests. So we'll take again. I would like to go look at that one boat over there, Jessica. So this is the journey. So you liked it, yes?
I loved it. It was
Inside was comfortable, no smells.
no smells.
And of course, Jessica, the first thing she's saying is, "Oh, look, the fish." So she's watching all the fish. So beautiful little area where we're at, where it's located at.
Enough room in the main cabin.
Say that.
Me-
Say that
enough
again.
room in the main cabin for me and you. Nice little sitting area inside. But then again, for a mom and a father with 3 boys that are not getting any smaller, but
No,
getting to be man children.
our children are men. men's size. They don't eat just chicken nuggets and fries anymore to make them happy. They eat meals. You know, you used to be able to get away with not Happy Meals, children's menu, you know, when they're like 14, and now they go, you know, give me the man-sized burger, and then they look at your plate with like, you know, hungry eyes, like, so. But I just wanted to show this one vessel up here, absolutely beautiful. Look at this thing. Oh man, super beautiful. John, there's a Gemini across the way. Look, John.
That's a Gemini?
That's a Gemini. Prout snow goose. It might be a prout snow goose. I'm not sure. But look at this thing. Wow. That's an axopar. Axopar? A-X-O-P-A-R. So, again, I know I can't really see. Ah, there we go. Where's my finger? Oh, there we go. Well, maybe not. So you probably already seen it. So look at that thing, man. Absolutely beautiful. I'll get this on the other side. We'll leave his boat out as requested. Look at that thing. Absolutely beautiful. So, ready to go?
Yep, I'm ready to go kick your butt and top hat.
Anyways, beautiful little community. The boats that are there and whatnot, and try to leave people's vehicle tags out. Anyways, Cove Sound moorings. Video surveillance. So we were guest in. Yeah, just a beautiful place. But we're gonna go get a bite to eat and try not to make these videos on this journey too long and too boring. So go live. You know, you get one shot at this thing called life. Go live, right? And thumbs up and up. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. I love it. Awesome. That was good.
Seafood Shack.
So they just let the bridge up just to let those little small boats through.
Maybe they have to.
Oh, there they go. They're letting the sailboat through.
Oh, I see it. I'll be coming through here in a second. There it is.
That looks like a Beneteau or a Hunter.
It's towing something.
A dinghy. A Beneteau. Wow. Let me see the front. Oh yeah. It's kind of like the cool little area. The guys over here pumping gas. This is Annie's food, fuel, ice, and beer. There's a cool little like sea shanty kind of little shack over here. Where's my finger? Daggum. There we go. I can't see without my glasses on. Yeah, it's a cool little place. Sun's getting ready to drop.